everyone, so today I would like to share with you this dog poop bag holder. Guys, this product is great because it will allow you to enjoy the walks with your dog without having to hold the bag of poops. Now this product, guys, it's made in very good quality denim type of fabric. It is wear resistant and also waterproof. It comes with a super smooth zipper, as you can see, and on the inside it has pretty much the space for you to fit two rolls of trash bags, for the poop bags. Also, you can place, for example, hand sanitizers, keys, coins, and more. So as you can see, it comes with this mesh pocket on one side, which is where you're gonna be placing one of these poop bags. And in the front, you see this beautiful bone type of design. It has a slit right in the middle that is pretty wide, so you can remove the poop bags from there directly without having to go inside of this awesome bag holder. Now guys, this product, to hang it in your leash, you can do it two different ways. So first of all, this product is compatible with all type of leashes and also harness. You can either use this super strong carabiner that's in the top. You can either hang it, in your pants. You can hang it in a backpack, but of course, it's suitable for you to hang it, for example, in this hands-free type of leash. You can do it just like that. Or you can use the Velcro type of strap in the bag right here for you to attach it directly into the leash, just like this. And guys, with that, again, you will be able to enjoy your walks without having to carry your poop bags with you. Just hang them right here in this portion in the bottom. You can hang multiple bags at a time. And with that, you guys, you can literally enjoy your walks and you won't have to carry the poop bags anymore. So I really hope you will enjoy this product, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.